Welcome. Today, we're diving into herbal product regulatory compliance across global markets. I'm Dr. S.K. Singh, and together, we'll explore the key challenges and strategies to navigate regulations worldwide. Let's uncover what it takes to bring herbal products safely and legally to consumers everywhere. When it comes to herbal products, the rules aren't the same everywhere. What counts as medicine in one country might be a dietary supplement or a natural health product in another. This patchwork of regulations makes navigating the global market tricky. We're looking at major regions like the European Union, the United States, Canada, Japan, Australia, and beyond. Demand is soaring worldwide, driven by people wanting natural options, a focus on prevention, and the revival of traditional medicine systems. Exports are growing fast, too, making this a truly global opportunity. When we talk about herbal products, they fall into different regulatory categories depending on where you are. Herbal medicinal products must show evidence of quality, safety, and sometimes effectiveness. Traditional herbal medicines rely on documented traditional use, accepted within certain regional rules. Dietary supplements, like in the U.S., are mostly treated as foods, with rules around manufacturing and labeling. Nutraceuticals, meanwhile, follow country-specific regulations. Take ashwagandha as an example. In India, it's Ayurvedic medicine. In the EU, it's a traditional herbal medicinal product. And in the US, it's classified as a dietary supplement. When it comes to bringing botanical products to market, there are some common regulatory requirements we always need to meet. These include GMP compliance, good manufacturing practices, to ensure quality. Then, botanical authentication to confirm the plant source. Safety evaluation is crucial, as is stability data to prove the product lasts. Labeling compliance makes sure consumers get accurate information. Different regions have their own authorities and classifications, from the FDA in the US to EMA in Europe and others worldwide. Understanding these helps us navigate the global landscape effectively. When it comes to raw materials, quality is everything. Take turmeric, for example. We don't just accept it at face value. We verify its identity through a series of tests, checking the botanical name, confirming the plant part, and examining it both macroscopically and microscopically. Sometimes, DNA tests are used too to be absolutely sure. Then we look for contaminants, heavy metals, pesticides, aflatoxins, microbes, and any foreign matter. This rigorous control ensures what we start with is safe and authentic, setting a solid foundation for everything that follows. Let's talk about the benefits of following good agricultural and collection practices. We get improved quality, better traceability, and a reduced risk of contamination. Take peppermint, for example. Harvesting it before flowering can enhance essential oil composition and ensure consistent batches. To achieve this, cultivation controls like seed selection, soil and water quality, fertilizer management, and pesticide control are key. Then harvest controls focus on timing, plant maturity, and hygienic handling. Together, these steps create a reliable, high-quality product. When it comes to good manufacturing practices for herbal products, controls are everything. First, the facility itself needs to meet strict requirements: qualified equipment, controlled environments, thorough cleaning, pest management, and good personnel hygiene. Then, the process controls take over standardized extraction methods, ensuring blends are uniform, validating drying steps, and keeping packaging consistent. For example, a hydroalcoholic extract is made using carefully validated extraction time, temperature, and solvent ratios to hit the exact concentration of key compounds every time. Consistency is key. Let's talk about standardization and quality control, two pillars that keep herbal products reliable and effective. Standardization means making sure every batch has the same amount of key active ingredients, whenever science supports it. Quality testing covers several checks: measuring marker compounds, using advanced chromatography techniques, testing for leftover solvents, microbial contamination, and stability over time. Take ginkgo biloba extract as an example. Its flavone glycosides and terpene lactones are tightly specified, ensuring consistent therapeutic quality every time. This means you get the same trusted benefits, batch after batch. When it comes to safety evaluation, we focus on thorough assessment and clear documentation. The safety assessment covers essential studies, from toxicology and heavy metal analysis to pesticide residue testing and microbial limits. Stability studies and monitoring adverse events also play a key role when needed. On the documentation side, we compile everything into a detailed product dossier, including specifications, manufacturing processes, validation reports, and certificates of analysis. For example, a herbal syrup might include 2 years of real-time stability data to back its shelf life. Let's talk about digital quality systems and traceability in Pharma 4, especially for herbal products. This means using smart technologies like electronic batch records, ERP systems, QR code traceability, and even blockchain where it's been adopted. AI helps analyze quality data faster and more accurately. For example, a QR code on the packaging connects the finished product back to the farm, raw materials, manufacturing batch, and quality checks. The result: complete traceability, quicker recalls if needed, and stronger trust from consumers. Let's look at a real-world example to understand the impact of regulatory gaps. Imagine a botanical extract being sold without proper authentication of the plant species. This oversight sparks regulatory concerns and slows down market approval. Common pitfalls include inadequate identification, weak supplier checks, and missing stability data. To prevent these issues, we need strong supplier qualification, thorough documentation, risk-based quality controls, and regular audits. Addressing these areas helps avoid inspection findings that can derail progress. Looking ahead, the future of herbal product compliance is shaped by exciting new trends and solid best practices. We're seeing AI-assisted botanical identification and DNA barcoding, making quality control more precise. Green extraction and sustainable sourcing are becoming standard, reflecting a growing commitment to the environment. Continuous process verification and electronic regulatory submissions streamline operations. On the best practice side, following WHO guidelines, risk-based supplier qualification, and standardized testing keep products consistent and safe. Plus, integrating sustainability and data integrity into quality systems is no longer optional, it's essential. When it comes to herbal products, global regulatory compliance isn't just a box to check. It's a commitment to quality and safety at every step. That means using scientifically validated systems, standardized manufacturing, and authenticated botanical materials. Risk-based controls guide us through the entire product lifecycle. There's a complex web of regulations and guidelines we follow, from WHO's good practices to the EU's traditional herbal directives, and from US FDA standards to regional frameworks like ASEAN and India's AYUSH. These ensure herbal products meet rigorous, trusted standards worldwide. That brings us to the end. For any further support or questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for your time and attention. It's been a pleasure sharing this with you today. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.